Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are going to do an unboxing today. I received my items from Amazon that I ordered with my YouTube money. I have me a microphone now, a wireless microphone, and I have me a new tripod that I can use when I want to go outside and hold it, or I want to stay inside. I think it's 64 inches tall. All right, you guys, let's unbox it. Okay, the first one I want to unbox is the microphone. So I got two microphones. Right, here is the microphone. It has a noise reduction little piece on here, and it has the adapter for an Android or for a iPhone, which I actually have an iPhone. Hold on. Okay, and that's for the iPhone, the adapters. So I'm going to put this one back in my iPhone, and this is what will pick up the microphone. And if I were using the Android, it would just go right up in there like that. And then I'm going to use the one that I charged up. There we have, oh, I forgot what else. This is how you charge up your microphone. With this little charger cord in here, you plug it into the box, plug this into the microphone right here, and then it'll come on. I've charged this one up already, so it should start blinking. Yep, that one's on. See the green light? Give me the green light. I got it. All right, so this one is ready to go. So I have my microphone on. Ta-da! And so it's on the whole time I'll be talking. All right, so you guys see my microphones? I love it. I'm starting to feel like a professional here. We're gonna move all our microphone equipment to the side. Now we're gonna get into this stand. I haven't even opened it yet. I was trying to, but then I said, well, let me just wait until I can unbox it. Ooh, it's got the case. Box is empty. Like an umbrella, check it out. This is so freaking nice. Look at there. You can carry a tripod wherever you go. This is really, really nice. Oh, I love it. So you can do it. You can have a short tripod. All right. Oh, it feels sturdy. I'm gonna have to show you guys the one I'm using. It's not sturdy at all. Oh, that feels so good. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna have to put that one on the floor. Ooh, what's all this? Ooh, it's remote control for the. Oh my gosh. What's this? What's this? Okay, I'm just opening stuff. I see a remote here. I think it's for Bluetooth for my phone, so I can start the video from afar. This, it must go, let me lift this up a little, you guys see the bottom. It must go here. Okay, and then we have this part. This is what holds the phone. All right, so that goes into this part, right? I just want to stand it up. Nice. What's this? Oh, is this another piece to make it taller? Maybe I should, look, maybe I should look at the directions. Oh, this is to get the extra height, you guys. I'm gonna pull it up as far as it'll go, and then we're gonna measure it. Whoa. My man, look how tall this thing is. Baby, this is awesome for outside. I love it. I am in love with this, you guys. Wow. That's 71 inches. That's over 6 feet tall. Look at this. Oh my God, got my microphone. All right, you guys. This tripod goes up to 86 inches tall. I think there's another. Yeah, it goes up to 86 inches tall. And this right here is a bendable component you put in here. Like if you're cooking and you want your phone hanging over the food, it bends. You see? Look at there. You just screw it in there and up in here, and you can hang your phone on here with this. This comes off, I'll show you. This is incredible, and I really, really love it, you guys. This part right here is what your phone goes on. So this would be the part, I guess, that goes here. Yep. So I'm screwing this in here because I want to show you guys all the possibilities. So I'm putting the flexible arm on here. And of course, I don't know if you'd have it this high up. You'd probably lower it down a little bit if you're cooking. But look at there, isn't that nice? You can just have it, your phone, hanging over your pot or your dish while you're cooking. You don't have to do all that crazy adjusting. Oh, this is so nice. All right, now, while I have this tripod here, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been using, okay? And it's the first tripod I ever bought, so it's a 4-year-old tripod. And oh, let me see something. Oh, wow. Oh, I love this. I really love this. This is awesome. This is really awesome. All right. So I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm gonna take the phone and show you guys what I've been working with. All right, here is my old tripod. Yeah. And this is where the phone goes. And this is supposed to be a ring light. Well, I had a short ring light. I took it off because the one that was on this tripod stopped working. So yeah, I rigged it where I can still use it, as you can see. So now, this tripod right here, I am really thrilled with. I am really thrilled with this tripod. So you guys see my unboxing, and thank you for helping me to purchase new items for my channel. So you guys, I'm gonna put the links to these in the description box. So if you'd like to purchase them, you can. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all the support and the great comments, the likes, and the views on my channel. You guys, I appreciate you so much. You've got my channel just blowing up, and I appreciate it so much. And I am going to be doing so many things as long as I keep, I'm able to continue to bring you guys the best videos I can. And you guys just keep watching and commenting, and everything you guys are doing is free for you to do, but it helps me so much. I appreciate you guys. You just don't even know. So all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. It's free. You guys are paying me nothing. As long as you watch those ads that roll through, that's what's paying me, because you guys are watching it. So thank you guys so much again. And I'll just keep bringing you the best videos I can, and I appreciate your support so much. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.